Guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your notification sound in Facebook Messenger. So open Facebook Messenger. I'm in my Messenger. On the top left corner, click the profile image and you are in your profile now. Scroll down, you will see notification and sound. Click there. Scroll down, you will see notification sound. Click there. All these are ringtone you can choose from. When you are done, just click OK. So this was the notification sound, and you have option to change your caller ringtone also, like this. So when you are done, just when you are done, just click OK, and that's it, guys. Likewise, you can change the notifications and sounds in Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching, guys.